Good Monday morning. I hope everyone had a restful weekend. This week we will be finishing up our Faces of STEAM project. Please let me know if you have not already how your team will be presenting on Friday. There are still podcasts for us to hear. I will have us listen to those next week. This is going to be a pretty packed week as far as Zoom sessions go. You should complete your spelling pretest before we meet at 9:50. We will also be breaking out into our groups for the Faces of STEAM. Hopefully, you will wrap up the research part of it today. If we need an additional day for a breakout room, we can do so on Tuesday. Just let me know. And in math this week, we will complete area and perimeter. There will be no Wordly Wise this week. Woohoo! I will see y'all at 9:50. Make sure you log into Zoom prior to 9:50 so that we can begin on time. And I hope everyone has a great Monday.